How do you file taxes from previous years? So filing old taxes is usually called filing back taxes. The process is almost the same as filing normally. You just select the correct year instead. So first you gotta gather your correct year documents. You will need income documents for the specific year you missed. That means the W-2 form or the 1099 forms from that tax year. And then you will need to use the right tax forms or software for filing. You can go to the IRS website and then click on File Individuals and then click on File Your Taxes Online for free. Now choose Free Guided Tax Software and browse the trusted partners. And you can choose one of these platforms. And then you will need to register an account if you don't have one, or just log into your existing account. Now you can start a past year return, start a new return for that year and not the current year. And then you'll need to follow the same steps as usual, entering your personal info and answering your income questions and deductions. And then you will need to enter your income or your W-2 info or 1099 exactly as it was for that year. And the system will calculate everything based on old tax rules for that year. Now, for back taxes, if you owe taxes, you may also owe penalties or interest for late filing. But if you're getting a refund, you still can claim it. There's usually a time limit. So the penalties or the interest for late filing will persist even if you file late for that year. But if you're getting a refund, you might not be able to claim it if it's or if it exceeds the time limit. And once you've reviewed all your information, you can just submit it like a normal tax return. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.